Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. I'm Bob, and today I have a quick tip for you. When using Imperial fasteners, do not use a metric socket to drive in an Imperial. If you do that, you'll see here that there is play. This is the 13 millimeter socket and a half inch or 5/16 18 hex cap screw. And if I use that and I start torquing on this screw, I will be stripping out the head. If you use the correct size, an Imperial 1/2 inch with a 1/2 inch socket driver, there is very little play in there. Versus if you use a 13 millimeter, there is substantially more play. Thus, you're going to strip the head. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.